Hi guys, I just wanna update my US visa journey uh, to my NVC until on my biometric day. So on my NVC, we paid separate fees for the petitioner and for the beneficiary, which is me. And then we uploaded our civil documents like marriage contract, marriage certificate, PSA marriage certificate, advisory on marriage, birth certificate, petitioner and beneficiary, passports, IDs, like all of them. Um, and then after that, like we waited for 2 months. Oh no, 1 month and 2 weeks because we didn't upload it like in at one time. We uploaded it like every 2 weeks, so we didn't know that it will took or it will take longer if we do that. We don't have any idea of that. And then like, but still we got approved. And after that I waited for 2 months, and that's the time we waited for 2 months and 2 weeks before we received our interview letter. And then my interview date, like, it's another 2 months because I need to do the medical and the biometric before the interview date. So I first did the biometric, and it was okay. In the biometric day, you cannot get inside if you have phones or wearing a smartwatch. So we have to bring is only the DS260, the complete DS260, and then the appointment letter, of course, the appointment confirmation, and then what else? It was for passport, of course, the physical passport, the actual passport, and then the interview letter. Only four documents that you're gonna bring inside, and then be there before 30 minutes before your appointment time, or 45, or make it an hour so you still have time to like see things over there, what's going on. And then so there is a locker, like, all the way at the last, like, at the bottom of the, like, that area. Like, just look for the Abaca building. It's in the left side if you're facing the Parkal building and the entrance. And then you can put your belongings over